Welcome to your quick lower back discomfort, tension, pain practice. This is a great one to do in the morning just to wake your back up if you wake up a little stiff, or before you go to bed to let go of the day. Now, I always want to emphasize, and I know you're probably going to watch this more than once, you're going to hear this more than once, and that's an okay thing. You need to be really aware of the body, and if you are in acute pain, movement may not be the best thing. So be really careful and use your own judgment. All right, we are going to begin in child's pose. So you're going to start toward the back of your mat, and I want you to round up and slowly take it back. So you're going to round that lower back as you go back down into your child's pose. Have your knees as close as you can and still be comfortable, but feel free to separate them a little bit so you can get a good breath in too. And just allow yourself to release and relax. Bring your breath into your back body. Let your shoulder blades release. Let your arms become heavy. Breathing into your back body, breathing into those back ribs, seeing if you can draw your breath down into your lower back as well. Continue letting your body relax, letting the arms grow heavier and heavier. All right, come on up. And come up onto all fours into table. Pressing down through the palms. We're going to move into some micro movement in the spine. So arching and rounding, but just the lower back. Keep that upper back totally steady as you draw the belly button in and round the lower back. And again, belly button in. Really suck it in and release. And again, pull it up. One more time, super small. You really have to use your abdominal muscles to get into that lower back. And release. Now go ahead and make it bigger. Whole body. And release. Whole body up. And again. And one more. Now, this time when you round up, you're going to press back through the hands just to bring those hips back a little, and you'll feel an extra stretch through the lower back. And then release and arc up. And round up, press back. And release, arch up. Two more. You really can feel it when you come back, can't you? Feel that extra little stretch. And release and arch up. One more. Round and come back. And then release. All right. Walk the hands out. Press through the palms, reach the sit bones up, moving into an extended child's, forehead down toward the floor. Press the palms, reach through the sit bones, letting the chest come down toward the floor. Just get a nice long stretch through the lower back. And then come on up. Step your right foot up between the hands. Let's work on stretching the front of the hip. Feeling broad across the heart. Feel your breath. And then we're going to flow into reverse. You're going to bring the hands back and go back forward. Just going to flow back and forth a few times. And you get into the full expression. So find the end points, if you will. So you're in that final pose at the end before you release forward. This is the last one. We're going to hold in the reverse lunge now. Feel that stretch with the hips. You're going to pull the hips back as you reach out with the heart. Feel your breath. And then release forward. You're going to lift the back knee up. Left hand plants. You're going to open across the chest, bringing that right arm up. Feel the twist. Feel that contraction between the shoulder blades. If it's a strain in the shoulders, you can keep your hand down on the thigh, but do be sure you're squeezing the shoulder blades still. And then release and come down. Drop your back knee, step your front foot back. We're going to lower all the way down to the floor. Keep those elbows in, come all the way down, and release. Bring your hands back by your hips. You're going to roll the shoulders back and down, lift the arms up. Feel the shoulder blades. Lift the torso and legs up. Lift up a little higher. Feel your breath. And then take it down. 2 more times, just like that. Roll the shoulder blades back and down. Lift the arms up. Torso and legs up. Torso and legs up a little higher. And then take it down. 1 more, just like that. Roll the shoulders back and down. Lift the arms up. Torso and legs up. All right, we're going to add on this time. You're going to rotate the palms down as you bring your arms out to the side. And you can cactus or have your arms straight out to the side. I don't have room for that, so I'm going to cactus. And take it down. We'll do 2 more here. You're going to lift the arms up. Torso and legs up. Lift a little higher. And take it down. And 1 more. Arms. Torso and legs. And release. Bring the hands up underneath the shoulders, tuck the toes, roll the shoulders back and down as you press yourself up and back into your extended child. If you want to do downward facing dog now, you certainly can. Your choice. If you're in down dog, you can just take a moment to pedal the feet out. And then coming down, step your left foot up and we'll do the other side. So you're going to start with the lunge. Remember, you want to find that final position, if you will. Hips are forward, heart lifts up. A nice stretch right through the front of the hip. This is just delicious. And then we're going to move into reverse. We're going to flow back and forth. And come forward. And take it back. And take it forward. 2 more, just like that. And last one, we're going to hold. A good stretch into that hamstring. Now you're going to gently pull that hip back as you reach out with the heart and get right into that hip hinge. Feel your breath. And then release forward. Lift the back knee up. Plant your right hand as you open your left arm. And again, we're doing this for a twist for sure, but really to feel that squeeze between the shoulder blades. So feel that engagement, waking up those muscles, and release and come down. Drop your back knee, step your front foot back, and we will lower all the way down. Elbows hug the body as you come all the way down, and release. All right, hands are underneath the shoulders. Roll the shoulders back and down, squeeze those elbows in. Just use your back muscles as we lift up and down. We're just going to move into Cobra, but these initial few will be without the hands, so just using your back muscles to come up. One more. Elbows squeeze, shoulders are down. And then go ahead and do it again. Press into the hands and go more deeply, and you just decide how far you want to go. Come right back down. We're going to do 3 more just like that. Just flowing in and out of the back bend. Really getting the focus on engaging those back muscles, squeezing your elbows in. And we'll do 1 more. And then tuck the toes, back to down dog or extended child's, your choice. And just take a few breaths, get nice and long through the body. And release to full child's pose. Now, come down onto all fours or up if you were in head, knees down. And I want you to round your back and then go back into your child's pose, all the way back. And forehead down. And again, you're going to be drawing the breath into the back body, letting yourself get really quiet. And then come on up. Okay, we have one more thing to do. Switch over to your back. Lay back down. We're going to get into the hip a little, the piriformis, which also is definitely can be a part of lower back tension. You're going to cross the right ankle over the left knee and draw the left knee up. All right, now relax the left leg. Relax your shoulders. Draw the left thigh up and into the chest as you gently press the right thigh out with your right elbow. Go back to those shoulders, make sure they're relaxed. And then set the foot down, cross the right leg all the way over, arms out. Take both legs to the left. Our right shoulder stays down. Feel your breath. Feels so good. And then come back up. And take it over to the other side. You're going to take your legs down to the right. And then come back up. Uncross, and we will go the other way. So you're going to cross the left ankle over the right knee and draw the right knee up. All right, let's go through the list again. Relax your right leg. Relax your shoulders. Draw the right knee up a little tighter as you gently press the left thigh away with your left elbow. Feel your breath. And then release. Cross the left leg all the way over and take both legs down to the left. Right shoulder stays down, and just focus on softening as much as you can, letting go of all the tension in the belly, the back, like just letting gravity take those legs. And if you have a lot of tension right here, right now, support the legs. Like bring them down to a blanket or a block, and that'll help you soften a little bit more. And then come back up. We'll go the other way. Deeply soften, relax, and then come back up. Back through the center. Bring both knees up into the chest and just give them a hug. Relax the shoulders. All right. So now, if you're ready for your day, go enjoy. If you're ready for Shavasana, now's a really good time to move right into Shavasana if you want. I hope this helps your back feel a whole lot better. And this is a super easy series that you can use anytime you need it.